Hello, here we will explain the new features we have been developing for integration of Quick Pallet Maker with palletizing robots. First thing we will do is calculate a pallet arrangement. We will do it with known box dimensions. We're working in millimeters. We have a pallet which is set pallet 1.2 by 1 by 1.7 meters high, and the box dimensions are 408 by 275 by 144 millimeters with a weight of 1.5 kilograms. We add the box and we calculate. Tools, we calculate. We see that we get 3 arrangements, and one of the arrangements has 9 cases per layer, but it's not the one we want. So we use the optimize command, we click on go, and we get additional arrangement. One of them is the last one is the one we want, is the custom arrangement. Okay, so we have here a pallet which has 9 cases per layer and 10 cases per height, or 9 is high and high is 10. So we can go to the robot window, which is a new one, from the window menu, and here we will see that automatically we're loading the coordinates of each box. One of the new features is to have the offset between where the box is picked up and where the pallet starts. So for example, if we have 1.1 meters, okay, and we have 240 millimeters of height difference, if we refresh the coordinates, we see that now each movement from the box origin to where the box will be placed incorporates this difference. Okay. We also see that we have 10 layers. Here we have 10 layers, and we have these layers in the layer column up to 10, and it says repeat once. If we want, since all these layers are the same, we can repeat them 10 times. So we click here, don't show duplicate layers. We refresh again, and we see that the first layer is repeated 10 times. Now we can also work with interlocked pallets. We can close here, and here to create an interlocked pallet, we select a pallet, we go to alternate layers, we click on go, and we see that they're interlocked now. We select the pallet, we go to the robot window again, and we see here that we also have a list. We have also those 10 layers, up to 10, repeat once. When we click here, don't show duplicate layers, and we refresh, we'll see that we have the first 2 layers, okay, because they're different, they're repeated 5 times. So the first 2 can be repeated 5 times, and you will have the same palette. That way you have the data is summarized, or it's shorter data. You can select all these layers, all these columns and rows. You right click, copy with headers, and you can paste onto a spreadsheet. Paste, and you'll have the information here. You can share with anybody. You can also use Quick Pallet Maker and generate a report. You can export pallet coordinates, the box coordinates here, and you can create a file. It can be either comma delimiter or XML. And you generate the file. Okay. We can also run the example with a different box size. We have a new box size, a new data sheet, box on pallet. And in this case, the box measures 293 by 191 by 164, a weight of 1.5 kilograms. We add the box, right? The maximum height 1700. And in this case, when we do tools, we calculate, we have 9 layers. We have 9 cases per height and 20. We don't have the configuration that we wanted. So we go to alternate layers, click on go, and it generates the last one. And this last one, wait, 9 cases per layer. Optimize, oh, we have to select the last one, sorry. We click on go, and now we got the last one that we wanted, this one, okay? But this is interesting because we have 9 layers here, All right, so if we click on alternate layers, we'll see that they're interlocked, okay? But when we try to do the same thing we did before, going Windows, Robot, Window, Robot, and we just don't show duplicate layers, and we click on refresh, we'll get the same result. We'll get the same 9 layers to repeat once. That's because we have 2 layers that are repeating, but they're only 9. So it's not, if there were 10, you could be repeated 5 times. So it would be 8 repeated 4 times. But since they're 9, it's not gonna show you the one that it's only the first layer instead of both of them at the same time. Okay, so we're developing this, and we're open to suggestions about improvement, of course, and to get the final result. Thank you.